How to fix green line on laptop screen in Windows 11. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. So here we will learn how to fix horizontal or vertical green line on your laptop screen. For that, you simply need to first of all connect your laptop to an external monitor. If the line appears on the monitor, it's likely a graphics card issue. If not, it might be a hardware issue with the laptop screen. Method 2. Update graphics card driver. For that, you need to right click on your Windows button. Now click on Device Manager and open Device Manager on your laptop. Now locate Display Adapters and then you need to click on arrow and expand the display adapters. After that, select your graphics card and right click on it. Now click on Update Driver. From this section, click on Choose or click on Search automatically for drivers and let Windows find the best option. After that, you need to restart your computer to check if the issue is resolved. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.